Imagine you're working on a programming project, and you encounter a problem with highlighting text in a CEdit control within the body of the OnInitDialog function. It can be frustrating when your code doesn't work as expected, especially when you're trying to achieve a specific functionality. In this case, the issue arises when you attempt to use the SetHighlight function, resulting in a debug assertion failed error. This obstacle can hinder your progress and leave you searching for a solution to make your text highlighting work seamlessly. Moving on to the solution, you can resolve this highlighting issue by making some key adjustments to your code. By following the provided snippet, you can successfully implement the necessary changes in the OnInitDialog function of your CEdit class. By utilizing functions like setWindowTextW, setCell, and setFocus in the correct sequence, you can ensure that your text is displayed and highlighted as intended within the CEdit control. Remember to maintain the flow of the code and pay attention to the details to achieve the desired outcome effectively. To wrap it up, addressing the problem of highlighting text in a CEdit control calls for a strategic approach and understanding of the relevant functions. By incorporating the recommended changes in the OnInitDialog function, you can overcome the challenge and enhance the functionality of your application. Embrace the solution provided, tweak your code accordingly, and witness the successful highlighting of text within your CEdit control. And with that, we conclude this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Who knew text highlighting could be such an adventure, right?